Hello friends, welcome to my channel My Way of Cooking Healthy and Tasty. My today's recipe is egg tikka curry with veggies. This healthy and tasty dish can be served with chapatis, parathas or rice. So let's get started making it in my way. So for this recipe, here I have taken my boiled eggs which I have cut into pieces. And here are some of my veggies like the green and the red bell peppers, broccoli and onions. And here I have made a paste of one medium-sized tomato with few leaves of cilantro in it. And here I have made a paste of one medium-sized onion, 7 to 8 small cloves of garlic, and 2 to 3 small pieces of ginger. So at first we will make the batter for the eggs. So here I have taken 2 tablespoonful of yogurt that I actually have hanged for 2 to 3 hours to make sure that there is no extra water in it. See, it's totally dry yogurt now. So for the batter over here you actually needs these kinds of yogurt. So now I will just add some spices like 1.5 teaspoonful of chicken tikka masala, half a teaspoonful of garam masala, a very little ginger and garlic paste, a little ajwain seeds, black pepper powder, salt as per taste, now you have to mix those spices well with the yogurt. Now I am adding a very little oil, some half a teaspoonful or lesser than that, so that the spices with the yogurt can be blended with each other well. Now I'm adding 1.5 tablespoonful of chickpea flour or the. Now I'll use 1.5 teaspoonful of lime juice. Now the mixture is ready. Make sure there is no lump in it. You have to mash it well. And then just dip the eggs both sides properly. My oil is also ready here. Just Place them on the tawa and fry it till golden brown on both the sides. See, I've placed all my eggs on the tawa. Over here on the other portion of the stove, I have kept my pan here to make the gravy. Now here my oil is heated up. I have just used a teaspoon of oil. Now put some cumin, whole cumin seeds or the jeera. Let it splatter. Little bit of red chili powder, turmeric, and 1.5 teaspoonful of coriander powder. Mix the spices with the oil. And now I'm going to use my onion paste. Now cook it properly, keeping the flame in medium till the raw flavor of the onion and garlic and the ginger doesn't go off. Use a bay leaf. Onions are almost done. I'm pouring in my tomato paste. Mix them well. Now see, my eggs are all fried. I've taken those out in a plate. Let the tomatoes be cooked for some time in low flame. Sprinkle a little salt. Now my tomatoes and spices are almost done. I'll use a little warm water. Wait for a boil to come first, and then we will use the veggies. See, the boil has already come. Now first I'll use my broccolis. If you want, you can just microwave the broccolis for 2 to 3 minutes to make it a little soft and tender before the cooking, or you can directly place it in the gravy. And my onions and bell peppers, mix them all well. using a little more water so that the veggies can be dipped into the gravy properly. So now let the veggies be cooked in the gravy for some time. Put a little more salt. You can use a lid also to cook the veggies quickly. To get the veggies tender. And you can use a lid on it for the veggies to become tender quickly, and keep the flame in medium to low now. Now see, my veggies are all done now. It is a little tender and soft, but you don't have to cook it too much. Now I'm going to use the yogurt mixture. I have mixed a little water in it and just pour the mixture, keeping the flame in low now. Mix this well all together. The gravy will now become thicker. Now I'm using a little more salt, a pinch of sugar, and a little dry Kasuri Methi. Mix all well again. See, the gravy has taken a very nice creamy like thicker consistency, and at the end now we are going to use the eggs. Keeping the flame in low, make sure, and just try to dip the eggs in the gravy as much as possible. Don't stir too much. Now see, it is ready. I have dipped the eggs in the gravy. And at the end sprinkle a little coriander or the cilantro, and this is done.